Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Let's provide a solution very quickly. The first thing is to copy what we have. We have 2x, okay, minus 4 then power 4 to be equal to 16, right? Then what are you going to do? We have 2x minus a 4 then power a 4, then this number is going to cross this equal sign to get negative 16 to be equal to a 0, okay? Now we can write this one this way: 2x minus a 4 square first, then square again minus, then this can be equal to 4 squared to be equal to 0. The third thing we want to know is this, to make this formula or this equation of difference of two squares, okay, to mean that this can be a and this can be b, so that here we shall get 2x minus 4 squared as a, then minus 4 times open bracket of 2x minus a 4 squared then plus a 4, okay, to be equal to 0. Then here we shall say 2. This one you can deal with this to get 2x squared plus, here because we have negative we shall say minus a 2ab, 2x times a 4, then plus 4 squared, okay, then minus a 4 we have here, then close bracket, then this one, this will still look same. That's why we are going to copy this one. We will have, because here you have negative, okay, and then 2x squared minus a 2x times a 4, okay, then minus, and then here we have 4, okay, yes, plus a 4 because I was misconceived. Then here we have 4 squared then plus a 4 to be equal to 0, okay. Now what we have right now here on this side, we'll have 4x squared minus 8x then plus 16 minus a 4, and here we'll have 4x squared minus 8x plus a 16 plus a 4 to be equal to a 0. Now this will provide 4x squared minus 8x plus 12, and then here we have 4x squared minus 8x plus 20 to be equal to 0. So that we have two equations which are quadratic equations, so that we can deal with the first one. The first equation provide 4x squared minus 8x, okay, then plus 12 will be a 0, or this one 4x squared minus 8x plus 20 will be equal to 0. Now here we can factorize a 4 by a 4. By 4 here we will get x squared minus this by 4 here we will get a 2x by 4 plus a 3 to be equal to 0, okay, or here we can say by factorization here we get x squared. Here we have factorized 4 minus 2x plus a 5 to get a 0. Okay, now this is to simplification, so that here we can use a formula method where this can be a, b and c, and then x, 1 and 2, because this can provide 2x, 2 values, will be negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over a 2a, right? Then x1 and 2 would be a 2 plus or minus square root of b squared is equal to 4 minus a 4 times 1 times a 3 over a 2, so that here our x1 and 2 will be equal to a 2 plus or minus square root of a 4 minus 12 over a 2. Then x1 and 2 will be a 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus this one is equal to negative 8 over a 2. Then x1 and 2 would be a 2 plus or minus, this is equal to 4 times 2 and 4, square root of 4 is equal to 2, square root of negative 1 is equal to I, square root of a 2 over a 2. Then our final solution x1 and 2 will be, by factorization of this one we provide 1 plus or minus I square root of a 2, okay, as our solution. Now by come up to this second equation, we will have a as 1 here, b as negative 2 and c, okay, then x 3 and 4 to be equal to negative b plus or negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over a 2a, okay. Then x 3 and 4 would be a 2 plus or minus square root of a 4 minus a 4 times a 5 over a 2. Then x 3 and 4 will be a 2 plus or minus square root of negative 16 over a 2. Then x 3 and 4 will be 2 plus or negative, this is equal to 4i over a 2. Then by factorization 3x, x 3 and 4 would be by 2 by 2, here we'd have 1 plus 2i. Here we have plus or minus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.